culminating over 5 years of development, channeling our passion for aviation while realizing our vision for future technology and learning from our customers' real-life experiences, we are pleased to present the InSight Integrated Flight Deck. In developing InSight, our design team was tasked with making a user interface so accommodating even the most discriminating pilot would feel right at home. And they focused heavily on ease of installation and configuration. Based around 4 primary components, the system embodies Universal's time-proven building block type architecture, allowing you to design your ideal flight deck, choosing from 2 to 5 displays to best fit your aircraft. A special adaptive collar at the back of the EFI 1040 supports either landscape or portrait orientation, as well as other display sizes such as 12, 15, or even 8.9 inch like our EFI 890, and the entire system sports an Ethernet-based architecture for lightning-fast speed. We made the whole system as user-friendly as possible, with a host of preference settings for the displays, an intuitive graphical user interface with drop-down menus, and point-and-click navigation. We embedded critical functionality like SVS, advanced mapping, electronic charts, radio control, and broadcast weather. As the system's most innovative feature, synthetic vision features sharp and realistic portrayal of ice-capped mountains and deep blue seas. Over the years, we've gained a sound understanding of what pilots want in their flight deck, avionics to make operations easier and more intuitive, and most importantly, safer. InSight, a new level of awareness.